Hi, my name is Ike. I'm going to build a loading effect for you, like when your phone is hanging and it doesn't want to load the page. So I'm going to start by giving a 20 to the curves of the phone. I'll add a stroke effect of just one, nothing fancy. I'll go to the rectangle, get my first rectangle, and draw a big long one. I'll give it a curve effect of 10. I will duplicate the rectangle, bring it out, make it slightly bigger, give it a darker shade, and place it back. It's covering our first rectangle, so I'm going to push it to send it to the back. I'll make another rectangle, a smaller one, and I will. This is 42. I'm going to go for a height of 42. Give it a 10 by the curves. Give it a darker shade. Reduce the size and place it right here. Bring it to the front. I'll bring the. You can notice I have a tree here. I didn't want to go through the process of having to start from the beginning, going to Google to look for an image. So I decided to get the image earlier. I know you're wondering what I'm trying to do, but in a minute you will catch on to it. I will loading page. Make it bold. For the sake of this, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger so you see what I am doing. 16. Let's bring it closer to here. And then you add a blur effect to the bigger rectangle. I'll use 20. Oh, no, 15. Let's use 15. Then you stretch this. Take it almost to the edge. Duplicate the page with Control D. And then draw this one back. You blur these images with layer blur. Let's go for 25 on the first one. And then on the second one, we go with something like 6. 6. Add some dots on this one, a couple of handful, and then add more dots on this one. So you will notice when it's loading that the dots are coming up. Go to prototype. and connect. You connect, make sure it's on tap, navigate. You use smart animate and raise this one up to 10,000 or whatever speed you want it to use to be at. Then you connect this one to back. Is on tap, navigate, smart animate is on 10,000, and let us play and see what it's like. Okay, so when you tap here, you see how it's loading and the pictures are becoming clearer. Oops, it couldn't load all of them. I know that feeling when you're trying to load a page. Now let us make this slower. Let's try 15 or 13,000, and then make this one 13,000 too. Let's play it again. You're trying to load this page, is not loading. I know that feeling. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Ike once again. I'll be posting a lot of videos. I'm learning like every other person. So if you have comments, post it on my page. I will definitely answer. If you have questions, let me know and I will get back to you. Thank you. Bye.